She was definitely sore last week. She was definitely sore. Run, run, run! Beat that greyhound! I think she was sore last week. What do you think?
She's better this week.
I think so.
I think she's enjoyed this coldness. 2 weeks ago she was here.
It was 2 weeks ago and she wouldn't jump. Yeah. Oh, thanks, ma'am. Oh, move that. Just put it down on the ground. You threw something. Much better.